So I'm here at the Peace Park, which is in a place called Blaine, Washington State. Park shares its border with Canada. Like example, uh, the name of the park is Peace Park. So this is all U.S. I came in from here like uh, earlier in the video. You could see the entrance. Now this is the Peace Park. The street across the park is Canada. This side is the U.S. and that's all Canada. Like that, all those cars there are in Canada. This is all the U.S. This area is all Canada and U.S. This park is shared between Canada and the U.S. Now all those homes are in Canada, and I'm standing in the U.S. right now. So this is the Peace Arch. So we'll be heading to the Peace Arch as well. And the Peace Arch is between Canada and the U.S. So it just says remembering the past, honoring the present, inspiring the future. The International Peace Arch Association presents the Peace Arch Centennial. The IPA is a private funded nonprofit organization. Welcome to North America's first and foremost international Peace Park, the world famous landmark. And this year the park celebrates its 100th message of peace. So this is the Peace Park, and then when you enter in, like I showed the signs earlier on, you pay here a pass for the whole year. So basically this is it. So you can purchase a 1-day pass, and you fill the little envelope, and then you drop your $10 for the day right here. So the other side is Canada. Now that person walking there is in Canada. That person is a Canadian. Those homes are all Canada. I'm physically in the U.S. right now, and this is all the U.S. So basically this is it. So they do have like border security at the Peace Arch, and as you can see, there's border security out there, and his engine's running, and he's watching people come and go. So the monument is right here. It says it's very close. And then when you park, you can get a permit and hang your tag right here. Or you can purchase the pass for the whole year. Right here, you can purchase it free, and you can pay right here. A pamphlet about the Peace Arch, Historical State Park, and then this, that's the Peace Arch, and we'll be heading there. The evolution of the international boundary from the Rocky Mountains to the Pacific Ocean. This is all the history. Right from 1818. So I just browse over this so you can read it a little bit. Uh, says artists and photographers for the commission: James Madison, Alden, and basically lots of information they give. And then this is the International Peace Arch Association. Again, it says, welcome to North America's first and foremost international peace park. So, a few pamphlets. So let's head down to the Peace Park right now. That's the ocean there. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. Next. So I guess these are restrooms right here. So this is the month of February, the end of February, the last week. The temperature right now is about 47 Fahrenheit. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice out here. It's pretty nice. So nice. Right is all Canada. So let's see what this is all about. It says notice. All persons seeking to enter the United States from Canada must be inspected by custom officers to enter the United States. Present yourself for inspection at the Peace Arch port of entry. Failure to comply may result in criminal and civil penalties. All persons seeking to enter the United States from Canada must be inspected by custom officers. To enter the United States, present yourself for inspection at the Peace Arch port of entry. So that's the same thing. So let's see here. That's the Peace Arch, and that's the Peace Arch right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. It says 1814, open 1 100 years, 1914. So from 1814 to 1914, they celebrated 100 years. All those cars are coming from Canada. That's the US border. But half the park is in Canada, half is in the US. Kitchen, the SUV is the customs vehicle. This is all like Canada and US. And so this is it, the Peace Arch. It's so odd, like it's so unusual, I would say, that I'm the only person in this park, and we just saw the Peace Arch, and that's the US Canadian border. This is the park. So I thought I would just share this. I thought it would be just nice to post it. So that side is all Canada. So they have a snack bar as well here. That's pretty nice. The Peace Arch has a snack bar. So tea, coffee. It's closed right now, so I guess they're open seasonally. That street is in Canada, so let's try and zoom into the flag. So they're flying the Canadian flag. It's Canada. All those cars and trucks. That person is taking his dog for a walk. Canadian. This is all the US. This is Canada, the other side of the grass. United States, this side. Blaine, Washington State, the Peace Park.